Why won't you work? Honey,
8-letter word, according to schedule.
punctual. The thermostat is broken. Can you fix it?
That is above my pay grade.
Can you call someone then?
Any ideas on who to call?
Always on time.
Or you don't pay a dime.
Whoa.
I'll call 1 hour.
Always on time, or you don't pay a dime. Now we're heating and air conditioning.
Whoa.